My name is Jeremy Fields. I'm Crow, Pawnee, and Chickasaw, and I reside in Collinsville, Oklahoma. I like to take my daughters fishing because it's a positive outlet, a chance to be able to get out and get some fresh air, get exercise, and at the same time learn something that helps provide, fresh food, things of that nature. I think it's just quality time that gets to be spent away from technology, away from distractions. It's just us right there in the moment, being able to be a teacher as a father, and at the same time them being able to be in a space to learn something different than what they're used to every day. It's one of those things that allows some appreciation for your food when you have to work for it, whether it's something that you're growing or in this case that you're going and you're catching, because it does take time and patience and effort. It's a healthy outlet not only for their body and their mind, bringing them into a different space, fresh air. I think there's things that they learn in the process, learning patience, learning focus, determination, those type of things. So I think it builds character.
Hawaii Shannon Andrews in Ganyiki. I'm a dietitian and the nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwaru Jwi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we are making fish and veggie skewers. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of fish cut into 24 pieces, 24 cherry tomatoes, 1 bell pepper cut into 24 pieces, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 lemon cut into wedges, 8 skewers, and salt and pepper to taste. To make the skewers, slide a piece of fish onto the skewer, then tomato, then bell pepper. Repeat 2 times on each skewer. The Otoe word for catfish is biche. Many tribes caught and ate catfish and still do today. The type of catfish and traditional stories related to catfish are specific to the tribe or region. Catfish is rich in protein, nutrients, and healthy fats when prepared with no added fats, like roasting or baking. Traditionally, catfish would be strung on a string and roasted over a fire or put into soup. Make this recipe with local fish or seafood. Try salmon, catfish, whitefish, trout, shrimp, or even crayfish. Season skewers with salt and pepper to taste. Heat oil in a large skillet or griddle over medium-high heat. Place skewers in pan and turn every 2 minutes until all sides have been cooked. Skewers can also be made in the oven or on the grill. Change it up! Today we're using tomatoes and bell pepper, but you can make your skewers using different vegetables. Try onions, squash, or asparagus. Fruits like pineapple or peaches could be added also. Remove skewers from heat. Squeeze a lemon wedge over the top for added flavor and serve warm. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 2 skewers. Enjoy!